try to pay attention as close as possible if you can. So you're gonna need your angle brush. You're gonna need your concealer brush so you can line your concealer up or blend it into your skin. You're also gonna need your pencil. And this is my pencil that I'm using, my Crayola pencil. And last but not least, you are going to need your MAC concealer. Okay. So it's all about drawing. You have to get fine lines when you're drawing. So your eyebrow can be perfect. So try to go the shape of your eyebrow. If you don't have any, you're gonna have to draw. So, okay. So you're gonna take this in and you're just gonna brush up the brows like this. Okay. So hopefully I'm gonna be looking in here, but try to pay attention to me on here. So I can see what I'm doing. Y'all gotta see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna roll this pencil. If you got a pencil, use your pencil. I'm using this little crayon thing. And just outline your eyebrows. And I want to tell you that it's best to go get if you have eyebrows, it's best to go get your eyebrows threaded or waxed first. That way you can see the shape of your brow. And you could just go along whatever they wax their shape or thread it. So you see how I did that? Okay, I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And you can make them as thick as thin as you want. I don't really want no thick eyebrows because my eyebrows are already thick. And I don't want to be looking like no cartoon character with some big blocks, you know, top of my face. Cause I done seen people like that with them big rectangle, thick, thick eyebrows. I ain't trying to talk about nobody, but I done seen it. Okay. Okay. So once you see how I did that, okay, boom. Once I do that, you're gonna take your angle brush and your MAC concealer. And you're going to dip just a little bit in there. Barely tap it. And now you're going to line your drawing up. So you can conceal it. It's called concealer because it can hide, it can take away, you know, as much. So you can make it thick, as thin as you want it. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to try to make it a little thinner. So I'm just gonna outline what I drew. So it's kind of like you outlining what you drew. You see it? See how I got that arch? And then you're gonna go up, above, and you're just gonna go along, like I said, go along your eyebrow. Like I said, you can make it as thin or as thick as you want it. I'm just trying to make mine. You see it? Okay. I'm just trying to make mine as clean as possible, straight as possible. So I look like that. Yep. I'm gonna do the other side the same way. I do need to get my eyebrows like, and see, it's kind of like you gotta play with it. So you kind of gotta draw it up, like you gotta make it just like the other side. You see? Yeah. And I'm gonna go down with it like that. Like I said, you practice it, you'll get better and better. And now it's just the form of you trying to get the other side to look like that side. So you see how my arch is up over here, but it's not really up over there. So you're gonna just kind of just wing it out the best way you can and push it up on the side where you think the other side had the same arch. So see, See how I push it up? It's like you're concealing it. So you're kind of taking away some of the brow to get that angle, to get that arch. And then this one kind of lower, so we're just gonna take it and make it a little slimmer. And it look like that. You feel me? Alright, so like I said, sometimes I'll go back in with my pencil and just line stuff up. Just to make sure it's thick up just like this side. A little thick on this side. I think I want to swoop it up. So yeah. And they could be the same on both sides. So it's all about drawing for real. You know? That's it. Drawing and making it congruent. I know you heard about that in your math class. Congruent. Congruent means the same. Equal. Similar. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. And let me try to get this eyebrow over here right too. I'm trying to see. Yep. Yeah. Then come up just a little bit over here. We wanted to make it, we trying to make it the same, you know? Yeah. So you see how I did it? And if you want to make it a little darker, don't go too crazy because you don't want it to look too dark. But I'll just like fill in, because this is like a reddish brown pencil. So I'll just kind of fill in the color. Going along with my eyebrows are naturally dark. Okay. So once you got it to look exactly how you want it, and me, I might just go up just a little more on this side because this side a little slimmer. Just a little. That's it. Okay. Yep. See? Okay. So now, here comes this part. The concealer brush. So this is gonna blend in and gonna make everything look even. So you take it and you just gonna straighten up. Just rub it into your skin. It's kind of gonna blend. It's gonna blend. If you can see what I'm doing. And don't, you see how that part kind of messed up. Go back with your pencil or your Crayola and just go and line it back up. Simple. And it might be a little off, but you can take that concealer. All I do is I take it and then I go back and just line it back up. Like that, see? And take the concealer brush and rub it in. Yep, that's all you have to do. Oh, I think I made it too slim. Took some off. So now you have your perfect set of eyebrows. Hold on, I think I done went in and wiped some off. And try not to write too close to your drawing because it took some of my, let's call it off. It's a process, but you'll get it. See how it take me a couple times? I don't do it around the first time, but I'll get it though. Period. I'm always get it. So just be patient with yourself, okay? That's it, be patient. That's all you need to do is be patient. Oh, you take it and just go over it back like that. Cause you don't want something to be out. there you have it. Your eyebrows on bleak. Period. Don't mind me. Just filling in some of the areas, and then you can take that brush just to make it a little bit more natural and brush inside your eyebrow. Just to make it a little more natural. There you go. Perfect. See, I'm just such a perfectionist. Don't mind me, okay? But that's how you do it ultimately. That's how you do your eyebrows. And yeah, I hope this video helped. If it did, give me a thumbs up or heart it, you feel me? And yeah. Here we go, period. Conceal that brow back down. Brows poppington, flicky. Hope this helped. See you later.